Do you want to learn how to build your own inventions with electronics? Michael emailed me. He was frustrated and he said, I'm studying electronics at my third year and still I haven't built anything real. I have a lot of ideas in my head, but no clue where to start. What do you suggest I do? Michael was the real deal. He was really into electronics. He was following the instructions from his professors and he was doing his assignments. He was able to calculate really complicated stuff, but he had no idea how to build a simple circuit to blink a light. Michael's story isn't unique. I get a lot of emails from people with similar stories. But not everyone fails. Every week you see people on the internet with no formal education posting really amazingly cool projects that they've done. Spectacular light shows, beautiful internet radios, new cool musical instruments. It's easy to believe that these people must have a special gift. And you can't help but think, I wish I could do that. But I'm here to tell you, there's no magic here. Most of these people aren't born with any special gifts that give them an advantage. There's always something else to the story. And that's what I want to share with you today. You see, for me, it began with a frustrating feeling. I've been trying to understand the transistor for months, and finally I understood how it works. I remember thinking, so that's how it works? But that's so simple. Why didn't the books and the teachers just tell me that from the beginning? So I started my mission to teach the world to build electronics in a simple way. Back in 2012, I started writing articles, making videos that explained how to make electronics. I wanted to teach people how they could build their own inventions with electronics with simple instructions. So instead of saying a capacitor is a passive two-terminal electrical component used to store energy electrostatically in an electric field, I say a capacitor is very similar to a battery. It just has a lot less capacity. Here are the 3 top reasons that people aren't able to build their own inventions using electronics. Number 1, they don't know the very fundamentals, like how a resistor works and what it does, or the relationship between voltage, current and resistance. Number 2, they don't have enough practice building circuits. Number 3, they're waiting for some magic pill that will just suddenly give them the ability to build the stuff they want without doing any practice. One of the biggest misunderstandings is that to be able to build your own things, your own inventions with electronics, you have to know everything within electronics. All the difficult math, all the heavy formulas, all the different components, even the ones you only use in a weird little specialty circuit, and so on. Look, I took the difficult route. I studied electronics for 5 years and got my master's degree. I learned a lot of theory, but I didn't learn how to build stuff. It wasn't until I started a company with a friend, we wanted to build this invention that we really believed in. That's when I learned how to build stuff. After I started blogging, my videos and articles have been viewed millions of times with a lot of positive feedback. I've been able to travel around the world and give talks and workshops about how to build electronics. And I've gotten the following question 1 trillion times. How can I get started building stuff with electronics? So I decided to write a step-by-step guide. In this ebook, I will show you exactly how to build circuits. I will give you examples that you can try at home, like blinking lights, a musical instrument, a touch sensor, and much more. I will also show you the fundamentals, but only the stuff you really need, so that you'll be able to understand how it all works. I've gotten a lot of positive feedback from the people who read my book. So if you're a hobbyist, an artist, a student, an entrepreneur, or someone else who wants to build electronics, all you have to do is push the buy button below. You'll get a download link to download the ebook, and you can get started building circuits today.